Corona don't fall for ground. Oh.
Masha, masha.
Hey, cha! Wherever I go, I see Nigerians talking about Corona. Nigerians are scared of Corona. That same Corona, I eat Corona. That same Corona, I bet with Corona. Because of Corona, I bought a Corona. I am not scared of Corona.
I am not scared of Corona.
I need just 3 people, 3 standard people to sow a seed, a coronative seed, so that you will not contact Corona. Yes, as I was saying, oh yeah.
It don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen. Oh no, I came to party. Everybody just looking at me.
Last, eh? We do okay.